Hi, I'm with Badger Basket, here to go through the assembly instructions for the folding doll cradle. Before we get started, make sure you look at everything included. If you're missing any pieces or have any damaged parts, please contact Badger Basket as shown in the end of the instructional video. So let's get started. For steps 1, you will need part A, which is the cradle body. You will need part B, which is the long metal rod. You will need 2 of part C, which are the metal rockers. Part D, the 4 bolts, and you will also need a Phillips screwdriver. So what we're going to be doing is assembling the bottom of the cradle. So we're going to want to look at the cradle body, look at the underside of it where you'll see this metal rod. This is where we're going to assemble the rocking bottom. So when looking at the metal rocker, you're going to want the flat part up on the top and the curve to go down towards this metal rod that's already connected to the cradle body. So there's a hole here at the bottom of the metal rocker that's going to go into this bottom bar here. We're going to take one of the bolts, we're going to put it in through this side and screw it into place. We're going to do the same on this side and on this side by screwing this one to place over here as well. Again, make sure that flat metal rod is on the top. So let's screw these into place. Next, what we're going to be doing is putting the metal rod between these 2 metal rockers. When looking at the metal rocker, you will see a hole on that flatter piece up at the top center. This is where the rod is going to go between these 2 spots. We're going to screw in from this side and from this side to hold this bar into place. So let's take these last 2 bolts here and screw this metal rod into place. After you've assembled part 1, step 2, we're going to be turning the cradle over so you're now looking at the top of the cradle. What you're going to be doing is raising up this cradle body, and you're going to put these support bars into these plastic clips that are in this bottom board. So when you raise it up, you're going to slide these metal bars here back until they go into these plastic clips. So I'm going to slide this back here, and it's going to be a little snug, and then you're going to push until they clip into place, like so. I'll turn it around so you can see the other side here. You're going to do the same to this side by pushing this metal bar back until you get to these plastic clips and then clip them into place. Like so. For step 3, you're going to be taking part F, which is the foam pad, placing it into the cradle over this bottom board so that your doll has a comfortable place to sleep. Now, last thing you're going to do is you're going to put this hood up for the doll. You're going to raise the hood up. You're going to take these plastic side clips and you're going to kind of push a little bit till it snaps into place so it's a straight line so that this hood is held up. We're going to do the same thing on this side. We're going to push down until that's straight, and then you're all set to go. And that concludes the assembly for the folding doll cradle. Now remember, if you have any questions or concerns, to contact Badger Basket as shown in the next clip. Badger Basket thanks you for watching, and enjoy!